Hello guys! I know it's been a minute since we've had an unboxing video, so I figured it's about time to post another one. Here we are. I have another unboxing from the Magic Candle Company. I got 4 fragrance oils yet again. I think 1 or 2 are the same, and then 2 new ones for me to try. I was recently at Universal Studios and I saw that Magic Candle Company has a few candles in the tribute Mardi Gras store, which is exciting for that company. I'm going on up and making some unique scents for the parks. And without anything else, let's get into it. We're gonna open it up. Shipping to me, and this is an Orlando-based company. So it took, I think, like 3 days for them to process the order, and it shipped out within a day, pretty much. And I got some. So I think it was actually in transit for like 2 days. But it's an Orlando-based company, so it might take a little bit longer for anyone else. I should have knocked it off what's left. Here we go. Bring the vacation to you. Nice little thank you card. This is orders. And here is the box. Open this baby up. Packaged with, there we go. Packaged with bubble wrap like last time. Alright, let's see. We have Polynesian. That's a popular scent. I wanted to try that one. I got Halloween Horror Nights again. I ran out of my other one. This is Haunted. Ooh, excited for that one. And this last one is another one I'm excited for. Terror. So, now I'm going to open them up one by one and try them for you. Starting with Halloween Horror Nights, because I already know that one. So we will open it. Awesome. I really like the smell of Halloween Horror Nights. Smells just like the previous one I had. Next we have the Polynesian. This one had a lot of up votes or up reviews or positive. Ooh, I like that one. It's hard to describe really any of the smells, but it does smell pretty good. Next we have Haunted. Interesting. Maybe I don't like, so far it goes Halloween Horror Nights, Polynesian, and Haunted in terms of favorite to least favorite. And lastly we have Terror. Let's see. Ooh, I like Terror. Alright, we'll bump that one up. So, just smelling them after opening them, it goes Terror, Horror Nights, Polynesian, Haunted. And of course I'm going to burn them, and that will be a true testing of how they smell and how they burn. My cat seems to think they smell pretty good too. I will comment down or in the description, I'll further detail how they burn, okay? But thanks for watching this video, guys. Check out Magic Candle Company. I'll link them in the description down below. You can check their shop. They have wax melts, candles, I think like disinfectant even, fragrance oils, car air fresheners, with a lot of the scents offered in a variety of forms. So check them out, guys. It's a good company. I really like them, and it does help bring a little bit of the magic from the parks and all your adventures and memories home to wherever you live. Deuces.